trust things that are statistically wrong, even when they're 99% accurate. Imagine a system. It scans thousands of signals and tells you what's profitable. You put money on it. Let's take a trading strategy that's 99% accurate. If it's true, everyone using it should be a billionaire. They're not. Why? 99% accuracy sounds powerful, but without context, is just a misleading number. Now look closer. Out of 10,000 signals, only 10 are actually real. The rest, just noise. So when the system flags a signal, you assume it's almost certainly correct. It has to be, because it's 99% accurate. But let's count. It catches all 10 real signals. Good. But from the 9,990 fake ones, even a 1% mistake gives you about 100 false signals. So now you have 110 signals, but only 10 are real. You think it's 99%, but it's actually 9%. A 99% accurate system is more wrong than right. This is where most people fail. They trust accuracy. They ignore reality. Here's the problem. You start with a guess, and you see something new, and your brain jumps to conclusions. But the right move is to adjust the guess. There's a way to stop being fooled. Mathematicians call it Bayes Theorem, but it's not really math. It's a system for updating what you believe. Don't just look at the signal. You ask, how rare is this? How often is it wrong? What does the world actually look like? That's how you correct reality. The formula looks like this, but all it's doing is fixing your intuition. This is how systems actually work. Search engines don't trust what looks right. They calculate what's likely true. Interviews don't just test skill. They measure how rare someone like you is. Given the pool, most people react to information. They see something and believe it instantly. The top 1% don't. They pause. They update. They recalculate. The world isn't hard to understand. Your thinking is, fix that, and you stop being surprised. You start being early.